Officers rush to an animal hospital to investigate a shocking scene, a rowdy woman causing chaos in the most unexpected place. But what started as a routine call quickly turned into a wild confrontation. Why was she there? What led to her outburst? And how did the officers handle this bizarre situation? You won't believe what happens next till the end to see how this unbelievable story unfolds.
Wow. They called the cops because I want to get cigarettes and water?
Hold on, Stephanie, relax. Wait right here, okay?
They just told me to go inside and go in a room.
Listen,
yeah.
I had them call you so I could talk to you.
What are you talking about?
Why are you being so aggressive right now?
Because she called me and it pissed me off.
I told you.
You asked me a question, then you don't let me finish?
Get the f out of my face.
Get the f out of my face. You approached me.
Okay.
Why?
So
your dog is fine, okay? Okay, all right. Please get your ego out. Tell me how you're in charge and I'm just a little. Here, okay? Here, does that make you feel big because you're so short?
Stand up. What is your problem?
Because there's no reason for this. And then she walks up like a fucking asshole.
Right, because you're very amped up.
Why did they call the cops? I want to make sure.
To figure out,
well, I don't know. This is a fucking emergency room for fucking my dog just choking and dying in front of my face.
Deep breath.
Yeah.
Is your dog okay?
I don't know. That's you guys are preventing me from to be in the room with him.
Here's what we're gonna do. Okay, we'll go in
Please
there.
let me know. What? You're gonna arrest me because I wouldn't get cigarettes and water, and I'm angry and I'm rude. You can't do that. So, am I being detained because I'm about to walk?
No, you are.
I am being
you
detained.
Are because
see, I know the law. My sister is a cop. Okay, so
likewise,
you cannot
but
detain me. I didn't do anything
I can
wrong.
detain you because
what did I do wrong,
disorderly
sir?
conduct here.
Oh,
That's disorderly conduct.
So freedom
you are
of
being
speech.
detained for that.
For freedom of speech?
You can't yell and cause disorderly
Yes, I
conduct like that.
can.
No, you cannot. Not if they want her arrested, because then I'll put cuffs on this lady.
Okay, call my sister. You cannot detain me.
I don't care about
for
your
this.
sister.
Look, sir.
I can detain you. You are detained right now.
I'm sorry. I'm just really upset about my.
I get it.
Okay,
I get it.
you're gonna put me to the police station when all you want is to be with my dog. How is that?
You need to relax.
But you're making me upset by saying I'm gonna go.
I'm not making you upset. You are making you upset. You are. Yes. Then shut up.
Okay.
The vet, visibly frustrated and concerned, tells the officer point blank, *, we want her arrested for disorderly conduct. *, but why? What did this woman do to push the staff at an animal hospital to such extremes? The tension in the room is palpable as the officers step in to handle the situation. What happens next will leave you speechless. Don't miss the full story.
I'm sorry.
Hands on your back.
Wait, no. What are you doing?
You're done.
Okay, please.
Now you're under arrest.
My dog. Oh God, I bet you guys feel so good about this, taking me away from my dog.
All right, we're gonna walk back here.
My dog. You guys are arresting me. This is so. Stop pulling me. I'm clearly walking fine. Why do you guys have to have such a fucking ego?
Why do you have to have such a problem?
Because my dog's in the fucking vet dying.
Then just relax.
Oh, just relax while your dog died.
Stop.
But when I brought up being detained, you're like, okay, she's. Oh, I gotta bring her down. Let me take.
Can I give you some advice, Stephanie?
Just,
if you would just be quiet.
Just
that's
stop. Don't
an
talk to me.
excellent
Don't
idea.
talk
Probably
to
the
me.
best idea.
Stop pushing me, you little ass short bitch. God, I bet nobody liked me in high school. Can you at least just go see if he's okay before we leave?
No, we're not doing that. After all that, you can figure that.
Shut up!
You can figure that out later.
You.
You're not getting anything from us.
Shut up! Like you have no power over me just because I'm in handcuffs. You bitch.
Climb in.
Oh, I will. Why don't you shove me so you can feel like a bigger man? Push your chest out a little more. Asshole. Why are you upset? Oh, I don't know. My fucking dog's in the vet.
But why were so many officers waiting for her outside a vet's clinic? The answer is as shocking as it is unexpected. What started as a simple call quickly turned into a high-stakes situation that no one saw coming. The twist? It's something you'll have to see to believe. Stick around, this story is about to take a wild turn.
And then you guys are just gonna fucking laugh about this later. I was arrested for freedom of speech. This is fucking crazy, dude. This is crazy. Freedom of speech and I got detained. You're not allowed to do that at all. I did, like, you guys suck. You really think you're doing something good here? You feel good about your life? Like good for fucking you. You, like, what the f did you help out today? Oh, serious. You're just fucking taking a person that's just clearly upset because their dog is fucking... So you take me away from my fucking dog to feel better because what, you didn't like being called short? Like fucking go to therapy, bro.
I think you need it more than me. You need it more than me, Stephanie.
You know, like nobody likes the cops anymore because you guys just do what you want. Even you broke the law. Disorderly conduct. I wasn't. Prove it.
We have witnesses.
Oh yeah. And maybe I needed a little bit of fucking somebody to be nice to me. But you guys just approached me so fucking mean. Sometimes people just need somebody to be nice to them. It's like you took me from my sick child. You can't arrest somebody for fucking words. You know that, right, ma'am? Hey, officer, what is your badge number?
4529.
And what is your name?
Flores.
What?
Flores.
You have to answer it. It's against the law not
I
to.
did. If you
Well, I
stop
can hear
talking
you.
over me and stop yelling,
Plexiglass. What is your...
I already told you what it is.
You said it quietly, so I'm
Not my fault, you're deaf.
doing something against the law.
Okay.
I said, you can't arrest me for that. And you guys went, oh, did she just say that? Now we have to arrest her. That's exactly what happened. You didn't like that I knew the fucking law because my sister's a cop and I could fucking say whatever I want, freedom of speech, and you decide to describe it as something you can arrest me for. That is against the law. Is this all unrecorded?
Sure is.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not gonna bow down to you just because your fucking outfit, dude. Like being rude is not against the fucking law. And you just arrested me for that.
Look at how nice he is. The dog, oh, he's laughing at my fucking dog.
No, just leave him there. let's make her fucking pay thousands more.
Alright, I'm gonna take these handcuffs off. Sure. What I want you to do is I want you to do some field sobriety tests for me, okay?
What?
Some field sobriety
No,
tests.
absolutely not.
Okay. Why don't you want to do them?
Don't talk to me.
No, you don't want to talk?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
I haven't had any drugs or alcohol in 10 years. You will not be punished. Thank you. Oh, yeah.
Put your shoes right there, stand right there.
Where's my money?
We'll get it back.
I know, but where is it? They dropped on the floor. I asked you to pick them up.
You didn't ask me anything.
Are you kidding me? When
Stop and face the wall.
Shut up. Like I'm gonna fucking do anything. How much, like, do you guys, like, jack off to this, like, the power trip? Because I would. What do you, I mean, you could just arrest people that didn't even do anything wrong. Just because you didn't like them and they stood up to you. You can't arrest people for that.
No, but we can't arrest people for disorderly conduct.
I was so nice in that place. And you...
In the same location, the officer referenced Stephanie's earlier behavior at the vet, the very incident that led to her arrest. According to reports, Stephanie had stormed into the hospital highly intoxicated and aggressively cursing at employees, creating chaos before the police arrived. But here's the twist. Before officers could intervene, Stephanie left to get water from a nearby convenience store. Little did she know, the police were already waiting for her when she returned. And that's just the beginning. What happened next at the police station takes this story to a whole new level of wild. Buckle up, you're about to witness one of the most unbelievable moments yet.
Just because you didn't like me. Yeah. Clearly. Oh, yes, absolutely. Because I would need to be in person for that. And I was very nice.
Hey, when I take this,
So,
listen.
please get the video recording so I can use it in court.
When I take this handcuff off,
Dude, shut up. Just take them off.
hands on the wall.
Well, yeah, no shit.
Alright?
Oh, I'm so scared. You just arrested me because you didn't like me. Oh, she's a little crazy. She just needed a fucking... somebody to be nice to her, but you come up to me so rude, and I'm all gonna be rude back.
I tried.
No, you didn't. I did, and then I was listening.
Stop moving so I can take the handcuff off.
Oh, you're so scary. You're so strong. Shut up. Oh my God.
Stephanie, this will go a lot quicker.
Oh no, she doesn't know how to take handcuffs off. She's clearly retarded because she can't f***ing take it off. She's just making it tighter because
If you
she's
keep
angry.
moving.
She likes pain. I mean, I like pain, so it doesn't faze me. Make it tighter. Oh yeah.
Take the jacket off.
No, you take it off. Take it off. No, you take it off. There you go. Good girl. Like that.
Your bracelets too, please.
This is cuts from when I was trying to revive my dog. You guys took me from. Oh, why are you upset? My dog's dying.
Yeah,
Why are you upset? My dog's dying. No, oh, we don't get it. We don't like the way you're acting, so we're gonna arrest you. Take you away from your fucking dog.
Take your boots off.
You take them off.
Take your boots
No,
off.
you take them off.
Hey, we need you to take your boots off.
No. I'm taking them off. You take them off.
Get your foot out of my face.
You don't scare me, bro.
We're gonna
I'm
set her
doing
down
it.
over
Listen,
here.
hey, I'm doing it. I'm sorry. Look, I'm sorry. I'm gonna stop. But I'll do it.
Okay.
I will.
I'm not
sorry.
kidding.
I know.
Okay. The next time this happens, you're going in cuffs, you're going to county.
Okay.
Do you understand
Yes,
me?
I do.
Take your shoes
I'm just
off.
upset. And I have a lot of mental
Take your
problems.
shoes off.
It's just, I shouldn't be here. This is a sponge for my vagina when I have my period. I don't know why it's in my shoe. Can I throw it away?
Yeah, you can throw that away or
Just
just put it.
It's called the sea sponge. You might know.
Okay.
Does the piercing off your belly button come off?
No.
It doesn't come off. Okay. Let's go.
Stephanie, you're gonna stay back here with me. She's just gonna check the cell because we had someone in
What,
there.
what do I have to do here? Like, can I just like make a phone call and pay money or something? I just sort.
Let me talk, okay? I understand you're upset. Let me talk. All right. While we do our paperwork and everything, you just have to sit in there for us, okay? Would you like a blanket for stay with you, okay? Do you want a
Do you
blanket?
wash them?
These are brand new. They've never been used. So I just need you to go in there. Okay? Again, you're just going there to sit in there.
I know, but look how long because my dog.
Okay, well, the more you're cooperating with us, the quicker we get you out
I'm
of
just
here.
gonna be sitting in there, so it's not like I can be uncooperative. Just stop. I'm talking to him right now.
Your dog is okay.
Please.
Your dog's okay.
How do you know? You're just saying that.
Came from the vet.
What did they say was wrong?
Nothing was wrong.
Shut up. You're lying then.
Promise.
It was f***ing dying. He came up to me and he was like dying. No, I want to call him and ask him myself, and I think you're lying to me.
Stephanie. Calm yourself right now. Alright?
No. Can I?
Do you want a blanket, Stephanie?
Yeah.
Alright, you gotta go sit down for me, okay? So go sit down. I will get you the blanket so you can sit down and calm down, okay? Would you like a glass of water?
I just want to like, maybe if I want to talk to them, then maybe my dog is okay because I don't believe her.
We're not gonna lie to you. Okay, we're not. She's telling you your dog is fine. Your dog is fine. As long as you cooperate with us.
But did
Listen.
they take x-rays?
Listen. As long as you cooperate with us right now, we'll make sure that you get back there so that you can get your dog, okay? Okay?
You want the blanket?
Can I have water?
Yes. There's a drinking fountain right there. All you have to do is push the button and it'll come out of the faucet.
No, that's gonna give me diarrhea. Can I have real water? Like out of a little
Bottle of water.
Or does it matter?
I can get you a bottle of water.
Thank you.
Okay? We're gonna get you out of here as quick as we can, okay? Your dog is okay. Okay? Stephanie? Do you need a paramedic or anything like that?
Stop editing, you give it a shit out.
No, I do. I always did.
No, you didn't. You didn't like that I said, what, you can detain me for being rude? And
No.
immediately you're like, yeah, make ask them. You were so f***ing excited, like, you, I'm in control. You should ever f***ing say, because what?
That has
That's
nothing,
what you
there's
think
nothing to do with
dude.
it. We're going to issue a citation for disorderly conduct. You cannot go back there. You have 24 hours to arrange to have your dog picked up, but you can't go get it.
No, I can't leave him. Can you do it for me? Can you just go and get him and then bring him to me? I'll give you the money.
If you have somebody go get him
They said
tonight.
there's no, he definitely was choking on something. Like, he was f***ing, like
Okay.
couldn't breathe. And
I understand that,
And he
but
was
right
like-
now, your dog is okay.
it's not his fault. He's gonna be scared.
Okay, so here's what we'll do. We're going to take you back to the animal hospital. We're going to ask them to release the dog. I'm going to call them and say, hey, listen, we're going to come back. You are going to be with us.
The officer takes a moment to call the vet and confirm if they're okay with Stephanie returning to pick up her dog under strict officer supervision, of course. After some discussion, the vet agrees, but with one clear condition: this is a one-time exception, and she is not allowed to return after this. They also reassure the officer that her dog is safe, healthy, and in good hands. With this information, the officer heads back to relay the news to Stephanie. But how does she react to these terms? And what happens next? Stick around, this story is far from over.
Let's talk about your dog. Okay?
What? Is he okay?
Dog is perfectly fine.
What did they do to him?
They didn't need to do anything to him.
They didn't even. Did they take an X-ray?
No.
What the f?
The doctor has
Now-
checked the dog. The dog
So
is
what?
fine. Grab your water, we're going to get your shoes, we're going to get you out of here. You leave the blanket.
I just need you to sign this, okay? This is just saying that you're getting your stuff back, okay?
I want to see if all my money's here.
Yep, we had multiple people counting for you, okay? So
Dude, this is really f***ed up.
you signing this is just stating that you're getting all your property back, which is your keys,
Yeah.
your hair ties, and your money.
What did I sign?
Right there. And then you'll get a copy of this, okay?
All right, your court date is right here. December 12th of 23 at 8:30 in the morning. Also, it's on here.
Wait.
December 12th.
I'm not gonna be here.
Well, you have to be here for that court date.
I won't be here.
You'll have to figure it out.
I'm gonna be in Colorado.
Keep that. Hold on, keep that.
Dude, I can't. It's so it's a lie. It's just
Okay.
f***ed up, dude. It just pisses me off.
What I'm going to tell you right now is
I'm not gonna do anything when I get there. I'm just
don't
getting
want
it
you to
out
do
before I get there.
good, because I have a person who has potentially a
I'm-
gun on another call, and I'm on a different call.
So,
Right, and I want to get you gone,
Yeah.
but I can't do that while you act like
Is
this.
he, like, killing
So
people
let's
and
go. That's what I want to try to prevent.
well, maybe you shouldn't arrest people for being like rude. You know what I mean? And then when you deal with this, that little Miss Shorty over here.
Trust me, I didn't want to deal with this.
But as soon as I said, "Look, are you gonna detain me for being rude?" and then you're like, "Oh,
All right, let's go. I want to get you to get your dog, and then we can get you out of here.
oh shit. I'm clearly getting in the fucking car. I know, but stop telling me to do shit as I'm doing it.
Stephanie, get in the f***ing car.
But I'm like trying to, and she's like, "Get in the car." It's like, obviously, like, shut up. Just fucking let me do it.
Stephanie, you're about 2 seconds away from not getting a ride over
Sorry.
there. Stop.
Okay. Like, why are you even a cop? You're like 4 feet tall and you're weak. Like, a motherfucker will beat beat your ass. Like, why the f would you even become a— Shut up! I can talk in here if I want! Did I touch a button?
Your mouth. You want a right.
Yes, mommy, you're so scary. Hey, I get it. I'd be a terrible cop. I'd be robbing people. I'd be doing crazy shit. Because I could get away with it. It rubs off on everybody. You can't help it. Did that guy shoot anyone? I need to go to my car. Don't touch my dog. I don't give you the right to touch my dog.
I have to go in there.
She can open the door and he'll run to me.
Are you sure about that?
Absolutely. Right. Can you open the door?
I'll wait until your dog is out here.
But I'm not arrested anymore. You can't just leave me in here. I don't want him running around out there. It makes me anxious.
Bring him out on a leash.
Okay. Yeah, but I'm not arrested. You have to let me out now. There's a water bottle back there somewhere. I don't know where it is.
When Stephanie was finally reunited with her dog, the officer instructed her to grab him and leave the premises immediately. But Stephanie, still visibly agitated, argued that her dog still needed help. The officer, however, stood firm, telling her to find a different animal hospital since she was now officially trespassed from the original clinic. Despite the tense exchange, Stephanie was charged with disorderly conduct, though it's important to remember she is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. What happens next in this chaotic story? Stick around to find out.